Here I have installed the latest update of Radeon Adrenaline 21.6.1. The release date is written here. It supports FSR, the newest technology that AMD provides. Alright, now I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. You have to come to here in this page. I'll send the link in the description, and just go down until you see this and click here. It will take you to redirect you to a page, just click here. It will redirect you to the download page. Now the software will be written as 21.6.1 June 21. I've downloaded for Windows 10 64-bit, and then you just have to double click it. So two of the things you have to do when you install the software: you have to tick mark the reset function so that no problem occurs. So in order to check FSR, you have to install at least Dota 2 in your PC, and then check it in their options menu, and there you will get the stats for the Dota 2. So that's it. The link is in the description.